welcome back to my channel. Alex here. I'm super excited for today's video because I have a BoxyCharm unboxing for you guys for the month of February. Now, if you don't know what BoxyCharm is, those of you who don't know, BoxyCharm is a monthly beauty subscription where you get 4 to 5 full-size items, okay, from reputable brands that we know and love and new indie brands that are just on the market. The boxes retail for $21 a month, but they have at least $100 worth of items inside, and girl, you don't want to miss these boxes. I'm going to have a link in the description box so you guys can go ahead and sign up for that. And while you're down there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that share button so that you don't miss any of my videos and your friends don't miss any of my videos. So let's go on ahead and get into this month's box from BoxyCharm. So you guys, BoxyCharm sent me on over their February box, and I don't open these boxes. If you've been with me for a long time, I open them with you so we can see together, all right? So here we go. Now every month they have a theme, and the theme for February is Galaxy Glow. That's something interesting. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in here, and girl, yeah, I've already seen some big name brands, so let's dive in, shall we? So the first thing I'm seeing in this month's box are brushes. You guys know I am a brush psychopath. Like, I am legit, I love brushes, okay? I have a huge collection. So these brushes are from Crown Brush Pro. All right, this is their trio brush set, and it is a 3-piece brush trio set. So I'm gonna open this up and see what these feel like. And again, these are full-size products, you guys. No teeny tiny samples around here, honey. Oh, wow. These are soft. Oh my goodness, they're very, very nice. Now, the only thing I'm probably going to be a bit disappointed with is the fact that they have white handles, and I get makeup everywhere, so these are going to be dirty real quick, but they feel like they're that smooth plastic that you can wipe off, so that's always great. But the brush feels really, really nice. I love this one. It's tapered, so that's great for setting underneath your eye. If you want to go ahead and not use a beauty blender to do that, you can use a brush like this. This one is a little dome brush, but it also has a little bit of a slant to it, so that's great for going ahead and shaping out that nose, honey. And then this one is cute too. You could probably apply highlighter with this if you want to do a little bit on the cheek and you don't want like a big brush to do that. Yeah, these are some nice brushes. They're very, very nice. They're pink and white. Like I said, the barrels are white, but they do feel like that smooth plastic that you can definitely go ahead and wipe off. And they have little dips and curves so that you can hold the brush a little bit better. So moving on, I see something from COVERFX, and I'm so excited for this one. This is their Shimmer Veil. It's a multi-use shimmering cream color. All right, that's crease proof and all that. I just need to see shimmering and crease proof. Oh, hold on. Okay, it didn't break. Oh, it didn't break. You guys, this color is so pretty. It's like a pinky iridescent type of vibe. It's called Amethyst. I see some purples in here. Hold on, let's go ahead and swatch this. Oh my goodness. Oh, it has a little dome foot applicator. Let's see if we can pick this up. Can y'all see that? Oh my goodness, I'm definitely gonna have to do a close-up for you guys because this camera is probably not doing this any justice. It's beautiful. Definitely can use this as a cream eyeshadow type of situation, but it's super duper nice. It feels really creamy on the skin. It feels also like it can be blended out if you wanted something a little bit more sheer. But the color is really, really nice. Again, this is Amethyst, and this is the COVERFX Shimmering Veil. Now, let me see if they do say if they have any more. They probably have a couple of more of them, but it does say it has a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face. So you can use this probably on your lips if you wanted to. You can go ahead and put this on your eyes, like I said. Even if you want to go ahead and use this as a highlight, just blend that out, and you'll be good to go. Next in this month's box, we have... Ooh, this is a Serpentine Botanicals Sugar and Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer. Ugh, I cannot talk today, and I do have a heavy tongue. Okay, so this is it's a lip buffer. Like it said, it's basically going to blend these soft sugar crystals within a rich moisturizing solve base that gently exfoliates and buffs your lips, leaving behind smoother skin with a touch of refreshing lemon zest scent. I am here for it. Yes, I am. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up so we can smell this, because I love citrus scents as well as I love sweet scents. But citrus scents to me are really, really fun, especially because we're coming into the spring months. Like, this is going to be really nice. Oh, that's the packaging, y'all. I thought this whole time that this thing was going to be some push-up thing and you just smear it on your lips and go. Apparently, this is the packaging. Packaging's really, really nice. It says it's vegan, it's 92% plant-based, that sort of thing. So it's in this little toothpaste type of tube thing going on, and it says sugar and lemon. So basically, you're going to squeeze this out and you're going to go ahead and buff your lips. Oh, it smells really good. That smells nice. The lemon is a little bit sweeter, so the sugar really stands out. Since this is sugar and lemon, the sugar really stands out in this. That smells really, really good. I cannot wait to try this tonight and see how my lips feel. It's going to be awesome. So next up out of our box, I see we have a black pencil. Black pencils are always needed in my house. So this is by Vintage. We've seen a couple of products from Vintage before in our BoxyCharm. I think the first time I saw them, they sent on over a highlighter or something like that in a BoxyCharm months ago. But this one is their smoky eye pencil, and it's jet black, made in China, if anybody wanted to know. So let me go ahead and stick that on my hands. Ooh, nice and black. This is a very intense black pencil. It feels really soft. Like, from looking at it, it looked like it was going to be one of those hard pencils, but it's nice and soft. That's really nice. It's really, really black, y'all. So that's really, really good. And this pencil actually retails for $21. It's the same price as the box. Okay, so think about that when you're going to go ahead and sign up for your BoxyCharm. This one pencil is the price of this entire box, so it's a deal in my book. You can't beat that with a stick. I'm sorry. So moving on. Next and final product we have is from Naked Cosmetics. I've heard a lot about them, so I'm really excited to be receiving something from them in this month's BoxyCharm. I love this packaging, really holographic. I'm totally into holo. This is a holographic highlighter palette. Let me read to you what's inside before I show you. It says it has 6 stunning holographic shades, and this highlighting palette is essential for any makeup enthusiast. Oh, you already sold me. Okay, let's see what's inside together. It's this type of packaging here. The packaging is really nice. So we're gonna flip it over and colors I cannot use. And I was so excited. I'm sorry, you guys. Yeah, we've got some pinks, purples. I will swatch all of these so you guys can see them. Pinks, purples, blues, greens, golds. These are for me in my professional life. I cannot wear these as highlighters, but I could definitely probably rock them as eyeshadow, so they will definitely not go to waste. So it's a nice palette, but highlighter for me, no ma'am. So eyeshadow, yes, shimmery eyeshadow is probably perfect, but for a highlighter on my face, darling, nah, cannot do that. Alright, you guys, so that is it for this month's BoxyCharm unboxing. So this month's box wasn't too bad. We got some brushes, lip scrub, we got a shimmering veil from COVERFX, and we got a little highlighter palette, a black pencil that's always needed. So it wasn't too bad. I just wish that, you know what I wish? I wish that BoxyCharm, like, I know everything, like, I think the box, not everybody gets the exact same box. I think it varies a little bit, just a little bit, maybe 1 or 2 products different. But I wish that they would go in, and when we sign up and stuff, they'd curate those colors, maybe 1 or 2 of the colors that they think would fit our skin tone. Because like I said, there's absolutely no way that I can put this highlighter thingy on my face, but I can always multi-purpose it, like I said. But I'm really excited about the lip scrub, definitely happy about the black pencil, and I'm excited about those crown brushes because I am a brush hoarder. Alright, you guys, so thank you so much for watching and subscribing. If you have, don't forget that everything is worth a try, and I will see you in my next video really, really soon. Bye, you guys.